midline over your spine. Any tenderness?
Yeah, definitely.
Down here a little bit. How about up here?
The night before.
Yeah, it's almost like an hourglass shape in terms of my tension. Like I feel it outside here, and then it comes in right on my spine, and then goes back out and onto my shoulders and neck.
Yeah, okay. Okay, can you go on your side facing me, please, Gabrielle? Alright, move forward towards the edge. Yeah. That's good. Okay, grab your bicep, grab your elbow. And pick the arms up, drop them here, good. Okay, tuck that bottom hip under a little bit, yeah. Bend this leg at the knee. And I'm just going to gauge your flexibility in this position. So, here, good. Pick the arms up, drop them here, good. Alright, my hand here. Keep the upper body there. I'm going to start to push this leg down, okay? You okay in this position?
Mm-hmm.
A little tension in the leg. Good. Alright. And other side, please. So very similar on this side. We'll just take a minute to do the setup here. So how about here? Yep. Sorry, did I pinch your skin?
No.
Okay. Here. Good. Yeah. So arm up, drop it here. Good. My hand there. And this leg drop. Good. Good. And let's see. Can I get you to go seated, please? Come on up. And just move forward a couple inches, maybe back a couple inches. Sorry. Yep, that's good there. Thank you. And give yourself a big hug. So loosen the grip up a little bit up here. You're good. Yeah. Okay. Keep the grip tight. Relax the arms. Any discomfort with that pressure? Okay, my hand here. Relax, slouch a little bit in here. Yeah. Yep, good. Okay. Deep breath in. Let it out. Good. And good. Relax your arms. And could you scooch on up just a little bit? Yep, that's good. Thank you. Any pain down the arm today or right now?
No.
Hit to the side. Rotate. Good. Good. And same thing to the side. Good. Any discomfort with this traction here?
No.
Feels okay? Feels pretty good, right?
Yeah. My neck feels 2 inches longer.
Alright, you're all set.